Stopgap Red Bag is a self-leveling, smoothing underlayment suitable for use in light to medium duty areas. It's self-smoothing, protein-free and low odour. Pour 5 litres of clean water into a Stopgap mixing bucket and gradually add all the powder whilst stirring with a power whisk fitted to an electric drill until a smooth, creamy and lump-free consistency is achieved. The material should be mixed for a minimum of 2 minutes. Pour the mixed material onto the prepared subfloor and allow to flow and attain a smooth finish. Minimal work with a smoothing trowel is required. The mixed material should be applied at thicknesses between 2 and 6 mm, but can be taken down to a feathered edge if required. For best results, an overall thickness of at least 3 mm should be maintained. The use of a spiked roller will help eliminate trapped air and smooth out flow lines to give a more uniform appearance.